Legrand's redesigned PlugTail GFCI features a universal back body, compatible with both standard 3-wire tail connectors and 5-wire feed-through PlugTail connectors. The 5-wire connector provides GFCI protection to any receptacle wired downstream on the same circuit. PlugTail connectors deliver significantly faster installation. With PlugTail, there's no need to terminate wires directly on the device. Each connector comes with pre-stripped leads, helping reduce prep time and ensure consistent results across installs. Once wiring is complete, align the connector with the back of the GFCI device and press it into place. An audible snap confirms the connection is fully seated and secure. With the connection complete, fold the wires neatly into the box and mount the device. No terminal screws, no exposed contacts, just a fast, reliable installation. After power is restored at the panel, press reset, then test to confirm the GFCI trips and protection is working properly. With faster installation, finger-safe design, and secure terminations, PlugTail delivers unmatched safety and efficiency on every job.